sir. My name is Mariam.
Oh, this is sentence.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Ibn Qayyim alayhi rahmah, "Akhi lan tanalu al-ilma illa bisitta." Oh my brother, you will never receive the ilm till you have the good and dedicated teacher. In the same quotation, he alayhi rahmah said that wa suhbatu ustazin. The presence of the teacher and the dedicated staff is must.
Who is present Finance Minister of India?
Nirmala Sitaram.
ये वुजू में कितने फराइज हैं?
तो वुजू में 4 फराइज,
क्या क्या?
मुंह धोना, वजू धोना, सर का मसा करना, पाँव धोना।
शुक्रिया बेटा, शुक्रिया आपका।
Myself, Mariam Tahir, student of this institution, feels immense pleasure and proud to be the student of this institution. Keeping in view the fact that the eminent and efficient teachers of the area are serving in this institution, and leaving no student unturned to bloom the young boys and girls into full opportunity. The infrastructure of the school is excellent, well established laboratory, science lab, and many more are extra benefits for students. As knowledge without practicals is nothing but to burden the mind with direct information.
Okay, you are much confident about the English. Can you tell me what is the sentence, please?
A sentence is a meaningful expression.
Okay, meaningful expression. Can you have an example?
Sir, my name is Mariam.
Oh, this is sentence.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's an adjective?
An adjective describes noun or a pronoun. Example, excellent, good, intelligent.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Myself, Ronaki, I'm speaking in front of you about my school. My school, here I'm studying since last 9 years, and I would preciously say that the teachers of the school are well qualified. And also my school imparts Quranic classes. That I feel is the top quality of the school. Also we have a science library.
You have Islamic education as
Yes,
well.
yes.
Okay.
Also we have science laboratories, computer labs and playgrounds.
Which of the following is not part of a digestive system? Small intestine, pharynx, spleen, and rectum.
I think Cyprian.
Spleen. Okay. Next question. Nephron is the basic structural and functional unit of nervous system, pancreas, kidney.
Kidney.
Okay.
I'm Shaisa Ayub from class 10th. I'm very glad to be a student at the school.
Of which school?
Eagle English Medium Public
Okay.
School, Mumbai. It's one of the most renowned schools at the village, Mumbai. There is all facilities for sports, study, and other activities. There is a big lab where very different kinds of books. Apart from the library, there is a scientific lab where we practice various experiments of physics, chemistry, and biology.
Okay. Can I go for the question?
Yes, sir.
Who is known as the father of the Green Revolution?
Norman Borlaug.
Okay. Who is present Finance Minister of India?
Nirmala Sitaram.
Okay. What's your message at last?
At last, I'm requesting to all parents to the admission of children in the schools so that they get more education and inshallah their future will be bright.
रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम सामीन। हमारे सामने खड़े हैं ईगल स्कूल के एक तुलबा, इनसे हम बात करने की कोशिश करेंगे। बेटा आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम हाजिम मजीद नून।
हाजिम मजीद नून। आप किस क्लास में पढ़ते हो?
मैं जमात हश्त में पढ़ता हूँ। यहाँ पर दुनियाई तालीम के साथ साथ दीनी तालीम भी दी जाती है, जो कि हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है।
अच्छा बेटा, आपके साथ हम एक बात करेंगे। आपने कहा कि यहाँ पे दुनियावी तालीम के साथ साथ दीनी तालीम भी दी जाती है, तो आप मुझे बताइए वुजू में कितने फराइज हैं?
तो वुजू में 4 फराइज,
क्या क्या?
मुंह धोना, वजू धोना, सर का मसा करना, पाँव धोना।
शुक्रिया बेटा, शुक्रिया आपका।
Sir, my name is Bilal Ahmed Bhatt. I belong from the prestigious institution Eagle English Medium Public School. I'm studying in the institution as what I envision regarding the school, that is Eagle English Medium Public School. It has created the fabulous history in the past year. I am studying here from the last 13 years. What I have seen that it has created the fabulous history in the past years. Like from this school, many doctors emerged.
Albert, are you satisfied with staff?
Yes, sir. I just told you that I am highly satisfied with the staff as they are creating the masterpiece while delivering the lectures and enlightening the lectures in presence of the Quran and
So at last, I would like to say one thing to you. That's what's your message to the parents of Zangir area?
My message to the parents of the Zangir area is that they should send their wards as soon as possible. And here I, on the behalf of my teachers, requesting you that they will produce them as a gyms. As it is said by the Ibn Qayyim alayhi rahmah, "Akhi lan tanalu al-ilma illa bisitta." Oh my brother, you will never receive the ilm till you have the good and dedicated teacher. In the same quotation, he alayhi rahmah said that wa suhbatu ustazin. The presence of the teacher and the dedicated staff is must.
Thanks, Bilal Bhatt.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हम वो नहीं हैं कि हम अपनी ही घर शमे जलाए बैठे, हम वहाँ वहाँ रोशनी करेंगे जहाँ जहाँ तेल की मिलेगी। मुझे काफ़ी उम्मीद है अल्लाह के फजल करम से जो यहाँ टैलेंट स्टॉक मैसर हुआ है और उनके टैलेंट को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए मुझे काफ़ी उम्मीद है, अल्लाह पर भरोसा है कि ये टैलेंट को वो उभारेंगे, उसको सामने रखकर हम इस स्कूल को ऊंचाई तक ले जाएंगे अल्लाह के फजल करम से।
आप मुझे बताइए आपका रोल मॉडल कौन है?
My role model is Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. As the Persian poet has said in his poetry that khilafe payambar kasera guzet ki hargiz be manzil na khahid rasid. And Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the perfect epitome of the humanity. And Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said on the Hajjatul Wida, the last Hajj, now there is no any sovereignty of the Arabs over the non-Arabs, neither there is sovereignty of the Arabs over the non-Arabs, nor there is sovereignty of the non-Arabs over the Arabs.